ferrous salt and ferric salt. In this lesson, we are going to learn interconversion of ferrous salt and ferric salt. Let us see examples of ferrous salt and ferric salt. Ferrous salt. This is ferrous sulfate or iron 2 sulfate. Ferrous chloride or iron 2 chloride. Examples of ferric salt. Ferric sulfate or iron 3 sulfate. Ferric chloride or iron 3 chloride. Here, metallic ion is iron 2 plus. In these salts, metallic ion is iron 3 plus. In this lesson, we are going to learn conversion of iron 2 plus to iron 3 plus and vice versa. Iron 2 plus is converted to iron 3 plus through oxidation, and iron 3 plus is converted to iron 2 plus through reduction. In this process, oxidants are used, but in this process, reductants are used. So let's go to the detail. Ferrous salt to ferric salt. Ferrous salt, for example, ferrous sulfate is taken. This is also known as iron 2 sulfate. This iron 2 sulfate is first acidified with sulfuric acid. Then nitric acid is added to this solution. Here, nitric acid acts as oxidant. Then ferrous sulfate is oxidized to ferric sulfate. At that time, nitric acid is reduced to nitric oxide. Here, water is formed as byproduct. So, in this reaction, ferrous sulfate converts to ferric sulfate upon oxidation with nitric acid. Again, ferrous sulfate is treated with potassium permanganate. Acidified potassium permanganate. Then ferrous sulfate experiences oxidation. As a result, ferric sulfate is formed. Then byproducts are potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, and water. So, in this way, ferrous salt changes to ferric salt. Again, suppose another ferrous salt. This is ferrous chloride or iron 2 chloride. This is treated with chlorine gas. Then ferrous chloride suffers oxidation, and as a result, ferric chloride is formed, iron 3 chloride. In this way, ferrous salt is converted to ferric salt. Now let us see conversion of ferric salt to ferrous salt. Now, ferric salt to ferrous salt. In this case, ferric chloride is taken. This is also known as iron 3 chloride. Here, ferric chloride is reduced with zinc and hydrochloric acid. This is nascent hydrogen or newly born hydrogen, which is extremely reactive. With this nascent hydrogen, ferric chloride is reduced to ferrous chloride and hydrochloric acid is formed as byproduct. Again, ferric chloride is treated with reducing agent hydrogen sulfide gas. Then ferric chloride experiences reduction and as a result, ferrous chloride is formed. At that time, hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur, solid sulfur, and water is formed. In this way, in this fashion, ferrous chloride is formed from ferric chloride. In this reaction, here hydrochloric acid is formed as byproduct. Moreover, ferric chloride is treated with sulfur dioxide gas and this reaction completes in presence of water. Then ferric chloride undergoes reduction to form ferrous chloride. Here, byproducts are sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. In this way, ferric chloride or iron 3 chloride is converted to ferrous chloride or iron 2 chloride. This is all about conversion of ferrous salt and ferric salt and vice versa. No more today. Thank you very much.